Welcome to Data Types. Understanding data is the first step in analytics. Data can be classified based on its characteristics, which helps in selecting the right approach for analysis. In this module, we'll break down the different data types and how they impact decision making. Let's get started. Data is broadly classified into qualitative clusters and quantitative, also called categorical and numerical data. Qualitative data deals with categories. Think of car brands or customer feedback types. On the other hand, quantitative data is measurable. It consists of numbers like a person's height or a company's annual revenue. Let's explore each in detail. Qualitative data is about labels and categories. For instance, when you fill out a survey and select your country or favorite color, that's categorical data. But not all categories are the same. Some have a meaningful order while others don't. That's where Nominally and Ordinal's data come in. Let's look at them. Nominal data is purely about classification without any order. Imagine listing different smartphone brands, Apple, Samsung, and Google. None is inherently higher or lower than the other, right? That's nominal data. It helps in segmenting data but doesn't indicate priority or rank. Unlike nominal data and ordinal data, SOP has a meaningful order. Imagine a customer satisfaction survey with choices like poor, good, and excellent. You know that excellent is better than good, but the gap between them isn't always equal. This is useful when ranking preferences, but it doesn't allow precise calculations. Now, let's move to quantitative data, where numbers come into play. Whether it's tracking your monthly expenses or measuring the temperature, numbers help in precise calculations. But even in numbers, we have different types. Some values are fixed counts, while others can take any value in a range. Let's explore these. Discrete data deals with whole numbers, things you can count. Think of the number of customers in a store or the number of books on a shelf. You can't have 3.5 books or 2.8 people. This makes discrete data ideal for scenarios where fractions don't make sense. Continuous data is different. It can take any value, including decimals. Imagine measuring your height. It could be 170.5 centimeters instead of exactly 170. Continuous data is used in situations where values fluctuate, like tracking stock prices or measuring rainfall. That concludes our discussion on data types. We saw how qualitative and quantitative Tatis data differ and why it's important to classify them correctly. Whether you're analyzing customer preferences or financial trends, knowing your data type ensures accurate results. Application: data classification is used in medicine, finance, sports, and more. Hospitals use categorical data, disease types, and numerical data, patient vitals, for diagnosis. Example ... Way forward. Dive deeper by exploring real-world datasets and identifying their types. Learn about data collection techniques and how they impact data quality, and experiment with different data visualization techniques for better insights. Hope you understood basic data types that would be helpful in better understanding the data. Thank you.